Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video guys, I'm gonna be making a memorial candle in loving memory of Sasha. Sasha was my other Havanese dog. So she passed away yesterday guys, and it's heartbreaking, and I just wanted to make a candle in honor of her. As you all know, Milo, he passed away last November 15. Milo and Sasha were our pets that we had with us for over 10 years, and we are still mourning the loss of Milo, but now that Sasha and Milo are together, so I'm kind of celebrating that they are really like at the Rainbow Bridge. Okay guys, I want to make a candle, this beautiful vessel. This was sold by 1617. This is the alabaster, I believe, alabaster French cut. This holds 16 ounces total fill. Okay, so it's so beautiful. Look at this. So it's gonna be perfect for memorial candle for my Sasha. As you know, I made the memorial candle for Milo. It was on the same vessel but in black. So I just wanted to make it, her memory candle in white. Okay, so for these guys, I'm gonna be choosing a combination, a blended of these pre-blended oils. So I'm gonna be making test strips of these blended oils, and I just want to see how they work together. Maybe I'll blend one, maybe I'll blend two of them. Who knows? Maybe I'll just use one. So I just wanted to share this moment with you guys. Okay, so the first oil is gonna be Persephone, 1617. Second oil is gonna be Kathmandu, also from 1617. And the third one is Eternal, also from 1617. As you all know by now, 1617 doesn't exist anymore, guys. This is where I got these oils, but you can find these oils available. I'm gonna put all the information down on the description box below. Okay, so we can start in there. For this candle, I'm gonna be using number 7 wax, which is my favorite wax ever, which was sold also by 1617. You can find it now at Hive & Honey. Okay, again, I'm gonna put all the links below in the description box. The reason why I chose these 3 fragrance oils is because these are, first of all, I love 1617's fragrance oils. I think they are unique, and to me they tell a story, and to me it's like they move me, and this is what I look for in a fragrance oil, that moves me, that makes me feel like passionate, and just it moves me, that's why I'm using them. Okay, so the first one is Persephone. It's like opening my genie's bottle, it's amazing. This one is Kathmandu. The Kathmandu, I have it also on my Milo memorial candle. This is very spiritual, very zen, very calming. It gets you centered, that's why I like to use this fragrance oil on this kind of candles, guys. It's beautiful. And the last one is Eternal. So let's see Persephone. Let me read you a little bit about Persephone. I got this information from Hive & Honey. Clean, green, and fresh, Persephone is the first spring morning following a long cold winter. Bright and crisp, like fresh linens on the line. Persephone exhibits top notes of orange and cherry blossom, key lime, and clean cotton, complemented by mid notes of plum and pomegranate, followed by base notes of bamboo and beechwood. A joyous and delightful fragrance to highlight your inner goddess. Okay, oh my god, this is out of this world, guys. It's very hard for me to describe this because it's like opening a book, guys, and I have all these feelings coming out of me, my heart, very enlightening, and this is the kind of feeling that I used to feel when I had Sasha with us, something to remember the beautiful moments that we had together, and this is absolutely beautiful. Top notes is orange blossom, cherry blossom, key lime, and clean cotton. Middle note, plum and pomegranate. Bottom notes, bamboo, beechwood, and it has also essential oils of lemon oil and cedarwood oil. Okay. The next one is going to be Kathmandu. Spicy cedar top notes mingle with sandalwood and heady amber, creating a divinely grounding fragrance. Deodar cedar, native of the Himalayas, means wood of the gods in Sanskrit, and is thought to possess healing qualities. Enchanting and calming, Kathmandu is arboreous, earthy, and luxurious. Oh my god, it's just, it's like something walking through my spirit. It's like air, purified air moving through me. Very purifying, very like Persephone, and this together makes an epic combination. Top notes, it's Malabar pepper and cedar. Middle notes, sandalwood. Bottom note is Baltic amber. Okay, it has essential oils of cedarwood oil, gorgon oil, amyris oil, and lemon oil. It's truly epic. It's truly, truly, truly epic, okay? Absolutely. This one has to go into the candle. Definitely. Okay, the last one is Eternal. Rich magnolia blossom and sultry jasmine dance with notes of frangipani in this eternity sensuous fragrance from 1617. Anchoring notes of tobacco leaf, vetiver, and dark vanilla run out this exotic treasure. Again, this is epic. This is very, very, very feminine, very romantic, very nostalgic, maybe like all themes, very all Hollywood. Wow, it makes an impact on me, and I'm telling you, I'm getting like goosebumps. Very romantic. I don't know, it is absolutely epic. Top notes is magnolia blossom, middle note frangipani and jasmine. Okay, bottom notes tobacco and vanilla. Okay, now I think this is the one that I'm gonna go for, guys. Maybe the three of them together, but let me mix this one with Kathmandu. Okay, the reason why I love this so much, Eternal, is because it has frangipani. Frangipani is plumeria, which is a flower of Hawaii. As you all know, I love Hawaii, and this reminds me of my vacation time, my times going to Hawaii, you know. And it so happens that I used to nickname that I gave Sasha was the Aloha girl, okay? So it was Sasha Aloha and Milo Mahalo, okay? That's how I used to nickname. So by just having that background on this beautiful candle, it makes sense that I use this fragrance oil on the candle. Okay, now I'm gonna mix this one with Kathmandu. So I have Eternal and Kathmandu together, equal parts. Okay. Wow. I just want to let the story develop in my heart. I can see her working on the grass in our patio. I can see her and Milo running around in our backyard when they were younger. When we first came to Portland, you know, when we brought them when they were puppies. Just frolicking around, okay? Now, I think I'm gonna try also adding Persephone to the party, okay? Will these three work together? Let's find out, guys. No. Persephone has to be by itself. This is when you have to listen to your heart, and you have to let the soul talk to you. You have to let the fragrance talk to you, okay, guys? So for this candle, I'm gonna be using equal parts Kathmandu and Eternal, okay? Oh my God, this brings so much joy to my heart. This is like me watching my puppy just walking around, jumping up and down in our backyard. Okay, let's get ready to make this candle, guys. Oh my God. Okay, let me just get ready, guys, and I'll be right back. Yeah! Okay, guys, welcome back. So let's do the numbers before we go any further, okay? So as you know, the total fill for this vessel is 16 ounces. That includes wax and fragrance oil, okay? Now I'm looking for a fragrance load of 10%, okay? That means that 10% of 16 ounces is 1.6. The way you figure that out is you do 16, which is the total amount, times 0.10. That's 10% equals 1.6, okay? So I need 1.6 fragrance oil for this to find out how much wax you're gonna be needing, okay? So you do 16 minus 1.6 equals 14.4. So you need 14.4 ounces of wax, okay? 14.4 plus 1.6 equals 16 ounces, okay? Total fill. Okay, I know different people does the numbers differently, but this is the way I do it because I believe in keeping life simple. But by all means, just do the method that you want. I'm only sharing with you the method that I use, okay? So I'm gonna put the 14.4 ounces of number 7 wax in the microwave to start warming up for 6 minutes in high. Okay, and I have in here a clean beaker, and I'm gonna need, because I'm using 2 different fragrance oils, I'm gonna have to divide 1.6 divided by 2 equals 0.8. Okay, so I need 0.8 of each fragrance oil. So this is Kathmandu. And now I need 0.8 of Eternal. Remember the reason why I got this, the reason why I made this combination, guys, is everybody's different, guys. You know, the way I blend my oils, I need something that brings back a memory, you know, something that connects the dot, you could say. You know, I know that because I got this because of the frangipani aspect of this fragrance oil, which is plumeria, which is the flower of Hawaii, and my Sasha, her name is Sasha Aloha. That's how I used to call her. So that's why I just want to make, so you make that link, you know, so you connect it. So whenever you smell the candle burning, it connects to the memories that you have. And that's what it's all about. That's, to me, is what candle making is all about. It's about connecting memories, making you happy, making you remember the beautiful times you had together, you know, with a loved one. And it's just, that's all there is, guys. We only here in this life, we only take with us the memories. That's why it's so important for us to remember, to cherish the memories, and just to be like happy and nostalgic, to remember, you know, the good times. That nothing is forever, guys. Okay, when we have pets, they're only with us for a short period of time, so we have to make the best time with them. You know, it's, and also, guys, you know, pets, all they give you is unconditional love. My dogs always gave us unconditional love. That's all they want from you. They want to be with you. They want to be loved. They want to, because they give us so much love. You know, it's better than people sometimes. Okay, so I'm going to secure the wicks in here. I'm using a double CDN number 4 for this wick configuration, and here it is. Whenever you double wick, guys, remember, you have to keep the spacing. The best spacing is an inch apart from wick to wick, okay? An inch apart. That way, the male pulse forms evenly from the center out, okay? You want to avoid the wicks reaching the side of the glass container. I have the thermometer in here. I have my spatula here, just in case you need to clean any kind of spills. We are prepared. And of course, we have our safety glove in here because we are using the microwave. Okay, so we are looking for a temperature between 10 and 20. It's 213, it's perfect. I'm gonna add the fragrance oil. Okay, and this number 7, you only need to mix for 20 seconds. Guys, it went down to 186. So fast. 185. When I wait until it goes down to 180. The reason why I do that is because I don't want to dislodge the wick stickers from the vessel. If you pour the wax now into the candle and it's too hot, you may run the risk of dislodging the wick stickers. So I'm gonna pour the wax now into the vessel. Okay, here we go. Come on, Sasha. Sasha's candle. Thank you for all the memories. Thank you for all the love you gave us. May you and Milo have a blast on the Rainbow Bridge. And guys, I'm gonna wait for this to solidify. I'm gonna give you my final thoughts, okay? Thank you. Yeah! Okay guys, welcome back to the video. So let me show you the beautiful candle, guys. Here it is, the most beautiful candle. Oh my God. The CT on this is out of this world, guys. Again, this is the memorial candle for my beautiful Sasha that she passed away yesterday, March 10th, 2024, guys. And this is the beautiful top. So this is how beautifully it looks together. Look at this. And guys, let me tell you something. This is number 7 wax that I'm using, guys. This is a wax that I used to purchase from 1617. Now, it's available at Hive & Honey. So I'm going to put all the links down below on the description box. So once I get the wax, I'm gonna do a video comparing the two of them to see if I see any difference. But guys, I'm telling you, the CT is always on point and I never get disappointed. Okay, so again, the blend for this candle is gonna be the scent that I'm gonna be using is Kathmandu and Eternal, also from 1617, which are available at Hive & Honey and Maple Street Candle Company. Also, so I'm gonna put all the links down below in the description box. And guys, I do have affiliate codes for both of them stores. So if you decide to purchase the oils or the wax from either website, guys, please use my affiliate code so that way I can make a small commission, guys, and that will keep me making this content for you. Okay? Again, let me just. Oh my God, I cannot wait to burn it, but I'm gonna wait a couple of days. And guys, let me show you my 2 puppies. Okay, come here, Piper. Piper. Come here. I gave him a haircut like a couple of weeks ago. I mean, I know, the groomer did. So this is, let me just put this to the side. Let me just go closer. So this in here is Sky. Okay, this is a girl. And she's Havanese. She weighs almost 9 pounds. Let me show you, look how beautiful face. Okay, and now I'm gonna show you. And this is Piper, and Piper is much bigger. He's almost 11 pounds. Okay, he's the boy. And Piper showed your face, beautiful eyes. I'm telling you guys, they are inseparable. They come from the same litter. Let me see if I can carry them all at the same time. Okay, so here they are. My babies, Piper and Sky. Okay, let me just put them down. So the video is not over yet, guys, because I want to make like a small picture memorial for Sasha. So I'm gonna put like a small slideshow at the end of the video so you can get to know her. You know, through the years, she had a heart condition. I'm telling you guys, there's nothing worse than seeing a dog suffer with a heart. You know, they get out of breath. It's really very painful. You know, but she was on heart medication. She was stable. But you know what? When it's time to go, it's time to go, and it's for us to recognize what's the best for them. You know, and just let them go. Okay. Again, thank you so much, guys, for your support, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay. Take care. Bye. Rest in peace, Sasha. Rest in peace.